Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Podcast. In part two, we talked about starting your day with positive thoughts, setting small daily goals, removing negative thinking, learning from mistakes, taking care of your health. Now, we will talk about something very real in life: difficult times and rejection. Because every person faces problems, no life is perfect. But strong people do not stop when life becomes hard. They continue. Let's begin. Many people believe successful people have easy lives. But that is not true. Every successful person has faced struggles. Every person has difficult days. Sometimes plans fail, work becomes hard, people criticize you, opportunities disappear. During such times, you may feel sad, confused, hopeless. But remember this: difficult times do not last forever, they pass. Just like rain does not fall all day, problems also do not stay forever. Hard times make you stronger. They teach patience, they teach courage, they teach resilience. Rejection is painful. Nobody likes rejection. You may face rejection in job interviews, exams, competitions, relationships. Sometimes you prepare very well, still you fail. Still you get rejected and you feel, why me? But remember, rejection is not the end, it is a redirection. Sometimes rejection pushes you toward better opportunities. Let's imagine a situation. You go for an interview, you prepare well, you answer questions, but you are not selected. You feel sad, you feel disappointed. But instead of giving up, ask yourself, what can I improve? Maybe your communication skills, your confidence, your knowledge. Use rejection as feedback. Improve yourself. Try again. Success often comes after many rejections. Let me share a short story. There was a young woman named Neha. She wanted to become a cabin crew member. She attended her first interview. She was nervous. She forgot some answers. She was rejected. She felt very sad, but she did not stop. She practiced speaking English daily. She improved her confidence. She attended another interview. Again, she was rejected. She felt tired, but she remembered her dream. She tried again. Third time, she passed. She got selected. She wore her uniform proudly. Her secret was simple: she never gave up. Many people wait to feel motivated. They say, I will work when I feel motivated. But successful people think differently. They believe discipline is more important than motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel energetic, some days you feel lazy. But discipline keeps you moving. Discipline means doing work even when you don't feel like doing it. For example, you may feel lazy to study, but discipline says study for 20 minutes. You may feel tired to exercise, but discipline says walk for 10 minutes. Small disciplined actions, small disciplined actions daily create big results. Motivation starts the journey, discipline completes it. Consistency means doing something regularly, not once, not twice, but again and again. Many people start with excitement, but they stop after a few days. That is why they fail. Success comes to those who continue. Let's take an example. Two students want to learn English. Student A studies 5 hours in one day, then stops after 10 days. Student B studies 30 minutes daily. After 1 month, student B improves more. Why? Because of consistency. Consistency builds habits. Habits build success. Remember, do little, but do it daily. Focus is very important. Without focus, your energy is wasted. Many people start something, then leave it, then start something new, then leave it again. This creates confusion. Instead, choose one goal, stay focused, work on it daily. Avoid distractions like too much mobile use, too much social media, too much negative thinking. Use your time wisely. Time once lost never returns. Focus creates progress. Here is another powerful story. There was a stone cutter. Every day, he hit a big rock with his hammer. One hit, nothing happened. 10 hits, still nothing. 50 hits, still no crack. But he did not stop. He kept hitting the rock. After the 100th hit, the rock broke. Did the rock break because of the last hit? No. It broke because of all the previous hits. Just like that, your daily efforts may not show results immediately, but one day success will appear. Comparison creates stress. Many people compare themselves to others. They think he is better than me, she is more successful than me. But every person has a different journey, different speed, different challenges, and different strengths. Instead of comparing yourself to others, compare yourself to your past. Ask, am I better than yesterday? If yes, you are growing, and growth is success. So, today in part 3, we learned life is not always easy, rejection is not the end, discipline is more powerful than motivation, consistency creates success, focus is more important, never compare yourself to others. In part 4, we will talk about the importance of dreams, building confidence, overcoming fear, speaking with confidence, and real life confidence tips. So keep listening. Thank you so much for listening. Check out the description box for all vocabulary words with meanings in English and Hindi, along with example sentences to help you understand better. If you found this podcast helpful, like, share, and subscribe the channel for more English learning videos. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep flying high. Thank you. Bye bye.